Hey everyone, so I got the Planner Society July box the other day, so I decided to do an unboxing. I enjoy these kits so much, they're beautiful. Again, this is the July, and it's the main subscription. No add-ons, no washi kit, no sticker kit, nothing. It's just the main Planner Society kit. So again, this is the July. And this is just some of the items, and I'm deciding what I'm going to start with. I'm not sure yet. I love all the colors. They're so bright and cheery, and of course florals. Oh my goodness, I love florals. So this kit includes one washi tape, and it has a cute little floral on it with some foil. We got some paper clips. They just clip on to anything. Plan, Hello, and TPS Girl. The colors are very pretty. And here's the pen. It always comes with a really pretty pen. I always like how there's two different patterns on there. It changes it up a bit. And that little cap that you want to take off before you write. And these are the tabs. You get these every month as well, or every other. And it always matches everything. And it comes with different words like list, notes, week, today, and month. And then you get a solid color of the same, and you get sticky pockets. This month we got a few more in different sizes. That's always fun, and I love the backings to the papers. I always save those as well. I need to start uploading some like how-tos and dashboards, and just how to use these items. They're so much fun. And you always get sticky notes. There's two in this one. You get a little cute cactus one, and then a bigger one. It's like a little week plan. These are fun. The first one said week goals. The other one's top priority, and then don't forget. That's very important. I think those will be helpful with school going to be at home. So this is the pouch that came this month, as well as the ring that goes around your hand to hold keys, and this bow is supposed to go on the pouch as well, but it came off, which is no big deal. You can just use some hot glue and glue it back on. And the inside is black. And you put it on your wrist, and you can take it into a store with you, and you will not lose it. I absolutely love these. I use the other one all the time. So I'm definitely going to have to switch and put my cards and stuff in this little pouch. And you get little bow seals, or bow tabs, sorry. And they're all glittery and pretty. These are sticky tabs as well. And in the back it comes with a whole long list of different things that you can put on there, or you can write them in yourself. And these are the glitter edgers. These are mini ones. And you also get the bigger regular size as well. You can see the two sizes there, two different colors, both glitter, and you get puffy stickers. These, I absolutely love puffy stickers. They can definitely change a dashboard like instantly. It's so awesome. And in the main kit, you always get little stickers. These are fun if you have a Hobonichi or anything. You can just stick them on there. It's really cute and fun. They always have little foil accents on there, and they match the kit perfectly. And I believe they go with the die cuts a lot, or at least I think so. I don't know. And these words, oh goodness, I love using these words for different crafts, like memory dex cards, or like in my planner, just like a cute little saying. They're really, really cute. I like how the kit comes with at least a few little stickers. So now what's left is the die cuts and the paper. I'm super bummed that we didn't get any charms this month, or a stamp or anything. I thought I figured out the pattern, like every other month you'd get a charm, and this month I thought were going to be the charms and everything. That's probably one of my favorite things in these kits is the die cuts, the papers, and the charms. I love charms. So I'm super bummed, but maybe next month there will be. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna finish showing the die cuts, And then the paper, oh my goodness, I absolutely love. And I always buy the digitals of the paper. And another thing I've bummed about is I always get the die cuts too. And last month, or because it's every other month, there hasn't been any die cuts. So I'm usually like a hoarder with these, and then I just print them out, the ones that I want and I'm gonna use, because I like the originals. They're nice and thick, so I basically save them or use them, but just with like the littlest adhesive so I can peel them off. But that's why I like digitals, because you can just print out however many you want, use them, glue them down so they'll last forever, but you know, still have them to enjoy because you can print out another one. But anyways, at least you have the papers, and yeah, hopefully they'll come back out soon and I'll be able to get them. But yeah, all right, let me know what your favorite thing is about this kit, and have a great day. Bye.